In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate designs in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to type, and how to bring those AI-generated pages right into your project without any confusion. Start by opening the project you want to work on. This is the design file where you'll add the new content, whether it's a presentation, a social post, or a document. Once your project is open, look to the left-hand side of the screen for the vertical sidebar. Find and click the design option there. This is your gateway to Canva's design generation tools and suggestions. At the top of the design panel, you'll see a search field. Instead of using it to browse templates, you'll use it to describe what you want Canva to create for you. Type a clear, specific description of your design. For example, you might write something like modern minimal slide deck for a marketing update using cool tones and bold headlines, or playful Instagram carousel for a product launch with bright colors and simple icons. The more specific your description, the better the results. Include the style, mood, format, and any key elements you want to see. Now, here's the important part. Instead of pressing Enter or clicking the search icon, look at the bottom of that panel and click Generate Design. This tells Canva to create new pages based on your description rather than just searching existing templates. Give it a moment to process. You may see a loading indicator while it works. This is normal and can take a few seconds depending on your request. When the results appear, click the generated design to open it and preview the pages it created. You can scroll through to check the layout, colors, fonts, and imagery. This is your chance to see how closely it matches your intent and whether the tone and structure feel right for your project. If you like what you see, you have two easy options. You can click on a specific page to add just that page to your project, which is great when you only need a slide or two. Or, if everything looks good, simply click Apply All Pages. That will bring the full set into your project in one step, keeping the sequence and styles intact. That's all there is to it. Describe your vision, generate the design, preview the pages, and add the ones you want, or apply them all. With clear prompts and a quick review, you'll turn ideas into polished pages in minutes.